In this episode of Jehovah Shabbat, we delve into one of the most fascinating and misunderstood topics in biblical prophecy, the Millennial Kingdom. But what exactly is the Millennial Kingdom, and how does it fit into God's overall plan for humanity? As we explore the scriptures, we'll discover that the Millennial Kingdom is a 1,000-year period during which Jesus Christ will reign on earth, restoring peace, justice, and harmony to a world ravaged by sin and corruption. We'll examine the biblical accounts of this future kingdom, including Revelation 20, Isaiah 11, and Psalm 2, and discuss what life will be like during this time. We'll also address common misconceptions and controversies surrounding the Millennial Kingdom, and explore its significance for Christians today. So join us as we uncover the truth about the Millennial Kingdom and its role in God's plan for humanity. As we dive deeper into the topic of the Millennial Kingdom, we want to address some common misconceptions and controversies that surround this biblical prophecy. One question that often arises is whether the Millennial Kingdom is a literal or symbolic period of time, and according to Scripture, it's clear that this is a literal 1,000-year period during which Jesus Christ will reign on earth. Another question is whether Jesus will reign physically or spiritually, and again, Scripture indicates that this will be a physical reign, with Jesus sitting on the throne of David in Jerusalem. Some people also wonder what role the church will play in the Millennial Kingdom, and the answer is that the church will be comprised of believers from all ages who will be resurrected to live alongside Jesus during this time. Additionally, some have questioned how the Millennial Kingdom relates to other biblical prophecies, such as the rapture and the final judgment, and the answer is that the Millennial Kingdom will occur after the rapture and the tribulation, and will precede the final judgment. Finally, regarding the idea of a pre-tribulation rapture, Scripture indicates that believers will be caught up to meet Jesus in the air before the tribulation begins, and will then return with him to earth to reign during the Millennial Kingdom. By examining the scriptures in detail, we can gain a deeper understanding of these complex topics and develop a clearer picture of what the Millennial Kingdom will be like. Thanks for joining us for our two-part series on What is the Millennial Kingdom? We're grateful for your engagement and hope this series has deepened your understanding of this topic. If you have more questions or topics you'd like us to explore, let us know. Thanks again for watching, and may God bless you.